Alright, so now that I've finished calibrating this thing, I can move on to this power supply. Again, this is a little series of videos where I first calibrated my meters here using a voltagestandard.com DMM check. And now I'm going to apply that calibration to this power supply, because right now it is quite a bit out. So let's get the cover off of this thing and see what we can do. Now I've done a teardown of this thing to see how it kind of operates and a few interesting features, but it's not going to be part of this video. This video is just going to be tweaking the power supply to get it back into a reasonable calibration. So watch for that video in the near future. Oh boy, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so I got the cover off this thing and, you know, it looks about as I expected, except... what's that? What are these? The damn pot is missing. What the heck? Who steals a pot out of a power supply? That's lame. I'm not gonna lie. So, I guess I'm gonna have to go and buy another nice pot in order to calibrate this thing properly, but for now I suppose I'll just grab one out of there, you know, some crappy one. I'll have to look up in the schematic what this thing wants over there, but jeez, what a jerk move, I've got to be honest. Alright, and while I recover from the shock of, you know, losing an entire calibration pot, I just took off the back cover, and it's actually pretty interesting down here. I'll do a proper teardown of this thing as my next video, but anyways, here's the bottom. Man, you'd think this precision piece of equipment that cost over $1,000 when new was owned by a bunch of monkeys. I mean, look at this. This is terrible. It's all melted. They've stressed this thing so much that when I just moved it a little bit, the wire came off, so now I had to resolder that. I mean, lame. Well, without even adjusting anything after soldering in that pot there to replace the cal, it's already pretty much as close as this meter will give me for this range at least. But I'll follow the calibration procedure as best I can with the equipment that I have, obviously, and we'll see where that gets us. I mean, this thing really was owned by monkeys. I mean, look at how they butchered this little adjustment pot. Use the tool for the job. They even can. There we go. Now that wasn't so hard, was it? Anyways, let's proceed. The zero adjustment is pretty much straight up correct, but it was off by 0.1 anyways. Alright, now that's what I'm talking about. Let's turn this dial. Okay. 9. Let's turn this dial. Yep. I think we're doing pretty well. Pretty darn good, I have to say. Yep. I like this very much. Oh, out of range. Perfect. So, I believe that concludes this little exercise quite nicely. Let's try the millivolt range. Yep. Let's try this thing. Yep. Good old power supply. Too bad someone abused you. But it's cool. You're all better now. Alright, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the proper little overview and teardown of the power supply. Thanks.